بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إنا أعطيناك الكوثر فصل لربك وانحر شانئك هو الأبتر.
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful. Couple of days left. Ramzan is finished. I'm fasting today. My kids and my wife in America. We have hot weather, but all entire family, complete. Did fasting month. Thanks Allah. My Muslim brothers, remember that, one Muslim, he released his movie, and there is one Salman Khan, Sajid Khan and Nawazuddin. They all Muslims, and they promoting movie in Ramadan, and they not, respect Ramzan month. They just want to be shown the entertainment. That's why Muslims, they destroy our religion. Muslims, they destroy our name in this earth today. They calling every non-believer, they say we are the terrorists. No doubt, because if you do bad deeds, your name is not good in this earth. Those days, Umar time, everybody respect Muslims. What a great, ruler, and what a great his time, you can say kingdom also. Umar he's Amirul Mu'minin, and he ruled very good, and everybody respect us. Not only that time, even 100 up to Amirul Mu'minin, whoever they are, they're ruling. That time they respect. Think about today. Jonah, our prophet, Yunus alayhi salam, I think. An Arabic name, Jonah, maybe, I'm guess, Yunus alayhi salam. Anyone, prophet, that place, they blast, I hear that. My wife, she not check that in website. She just told me, Jonah place, they destroy our, they not understand monotheism religion. Jew, they not understand Christians, they not understand Muslims also. That's why, they forgot like God. Think about, we are monotheism religion, human never united, Allah says. So, Allah not change his policy for humanity, because he not make first human. Christians have to be understand, Jesus is nothing like more than prophet. Because God created first demon, ghost, or you can say evil, you can say jinn, you can say, shaitan. He make before the human. Why he not make first human? And in this earth, demon came first. In this world where we living, demon came first, not human, not a man. Why? Why he not give to humanity respect God? You know why? Because he know man, he not obey his commandments. That's why. Angels obey commandments he make before human, angels. Think about why we are in this earth. What is our purpose? If someone says, movies, you can check that in India. Dhoom, or or Krish, or Kick, they all superheroes movies. No doubt, non-believers they can watch, but Muslims, good for nothing that for Muslims. That's not entertainment. I swear by Allah, when I am calling for humanity, come in Islam, I saw inside, inner side, in my heart. Happiness. Glad tidings always coming for me. This year, Allah show me, if you complete your fastings, I give you reward, He said. Your, remuneration, your, you can say your check, you can say your salary, He can give to me. I don't know. Tomorrow maybe Allah can, give more than, niyama, reward for me, because couple of, 1 decade I didn't fasting, because I get scared with my, diabetes or heart, blood pressure. I have that time kids, it's not younger, is not a, just child, like, So I forgot. I don't want to be, take risk for my kids, because I'm living alone in America. No one helped me. That's why I scared and I didn't fasting. But when I start fasting, Allah says you have to be fast. You have to be put your beard. And this is I saw in the sign in my dream. Next day I saw, oh, you did it fasting, so you have remuneration, you have goodwill, you have Allah giving good reward, like He said to me. On one more, then one other day, Thursday, I saw, maybe I'm going again Hajj. I did already. I'm Haji. I'm pilgrim. I did it. Pilgrim, Jesus also did it. Moses also did it. Muslims, they don't want to be spread Islam. If you are serious for your life, think about Habibuddin Rahmatullah alayh. He was, not a Muslim, like he not a practiced Muslim. He's just walking in the street. There is some kids playing game over there, and they saw Habibuddin walking over there, passing over there. So one kid says, oh, see this guy, he take, interest, badge money. He eating, he survived with interest money. He just listened and he said, oh my God, kids also not giving respect me. He walked, couple of blocks and he turned back and he decided. He said, no, I give to whatever I earn money in interest, I give it to the poor people. I want to become a Muslim, true Muslim. I want to be, go right path. I don't want to be, destroy almighty commandments. He changed his mind and he walking. So same kids, they says, oh, see this guy, he's Allah wala. He's a pious Muslim today. He's a mu'min and he's a saint, like they call. So if Muslim can decide this life, wherever you are, life going so fast. Month Ramzan, they came and gone. So think about, if you're not thinking, Allah says in the Holy Quran, I punish you. You can check that in the world. Whoever the bad people, they leave me in the prisoners, in the jail. Go and check that. That is a punishment from Allah. If you think, Allah punish, He says in the Holy Quran, Allah punished Jewish 6 million at a time die. Hitler killed. This is the punishment of Allah. Allah destroy, thunderstorms. Allah destroy, floods. Allah destroy, earthquake. This is the punishments. Allah destroy, no doubt, humanity. That's why many people in the hospitals. Even in America, my neighborhood, I have one hospital. Every day ambulance, siren, the sound is coming. They taking, serious heart attack people, maybe, some other serious disease people, they going hospital. So the noise is too much every single day. Honestly, I'm telling you, hospitals is full. Allah give the punishment. Suddenly in your, the bad time come in your life. Sometime, you lose job. Sometime, your wife, you divorce. Sometime, you kill the humanity. Sometime, wife and son or children, they killing each other, even in America also. This is the humanity, Allah giving punishment. This is the punishment, no doubt, Allah says. But if you do good deeds, Allah says, I give very good reward later on. He kept over there. Your niyama, Allah says, your aankhon ki thandak means, your eyes is very cool, like, when you saw that rewards in Jannah. That is the true religion. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.